So good morning again, children. So before we start our discussion, we are going to have an activity. So I will show you some illustration and tell me what you see. Okay, so let's start. What can you see in this picture? Monkeys, very good. So how many monkeys can you see in the picture? There are 6 monkeys, very good. How about in this picture? What can you see in this picture? There are children. So, the children are playing in the playground. How many kids are there in the playground? There are 10. Great, good job. How about in this picture? There are 3 children standing. Very good. And lastly, what picture is this? A duck. Very good. There is only one duck. The reason why we are tackling and having an activity of this is to know more about cardinal numbers. So let us welcome Teacher Queenie for us to know more about cardinal numbers.
So based from Teacher Jeanette's warm-up activity, what do you think is our lesson for today? Is numbers. So these numbers are called the cardinal numbers as adjectives. Cardinal numbers as adjectives tells us the number or the quantity of a noun. It also tells us about how many objects are there.
These are some examples of cardinal numbers. Number 1, there are 6 books. There are 6 books. Number 2, I have 1 bag. I have 1 bag. Number 3, I have 5 friends. I have 5 friends. Number 4, there are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days in a week. And the last one is, I have 8 flowers. I have 8 flowers. And let's now move on how we are going to spell out the cardinal numbers. First is 1. 1 sun. 1 is spelled out as O and E. O and E. 1. Number 2, I have 2 ice cream. 2. T W O. T W O. 2. Number 3, flowers. 3 flowers. Spell out is T H R E E. T H R E E. 3 flowers. Number 4 is 4 strawberries. 4 strawberries. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 strawberries. It is spelled out as F O U and R. And the last one is 5. Number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 muffins. This is spelled out as F I V E. 5.
Hi children, I am Teacher Kai. Let's continue our discussion. Let's move on now to number 6. So 6 is spelled S-I-X. There are 6 stars. How many stars do you see, children? Very good. We have 6 stars. And for 7, this is what it looks like. And it is spelled S-E-V-E-N. 7. There are 7 balloons. How many balloons again, children? Very good. We have 7 balloons. So this is what an 8 looks like. Number 8 is spelled E-I-G-H-T. There are 8 crayons. So how do we spell 8, children? Very good. Number 8 is spelled E-I-G-H-T. Let's move on now to number 9. So number 9 is spelled N-I-N-E. How many popsicles do you see, children? Very good. We have 9 popsicles. So this is what 10 looks like. 10 is spelled T-E-N. There are 10 apples. How many apples do you see and how do we spell 10, children? Very good. There are 10 apples and we spell 10 T-E-N. Since we have discussed the spelling and what numbers 1 to 10 looks like, we will have a mini activity. So for our first activity, it is called Recognize Me. So when we say cardinal adjectives, it says how many objects are there. The direction of our activity is that recognize cardinal adjectives in the sentence. For the first sentence, I have 3 dogs. Which is the cardinal adjectives in the sentence, children? Very good. It is the word tree. So tree is spelled T-H-R-E-E. For the second sentence, my mom bought 1 dozen of eggs. Which is the cardinal adjective here, children? Yes, it is the word one. So 1 is spelled O-N-E. For sentence number 3, 6 balls rolled across the floor. Which is the cardinal adjectives in the sentence, children? Very good. It is 6. So the word 6 is spelled S-I-X. So for the fourth sentence, Haley has 5 lollipops. How many lollipops does Haley have? Very good. Haley has 5 lollipops. And which is the cardinal adjective in the sentence, children? Very good again. It is the word 5. So we spell 5 F-I-V-E. For the last sentence is, there are 28 days in February. Which is the cardinal adjective here, children? Very good. It is 28. So we spell the word 28 T-W-E-N-T-Y-E-I-G-H-T. You really did a good job, children. So let's have Teacher Larry to facilitate a mini activity for you guys also. Teacher Larry?
Thanks, Teacher Kai. Now, may we now proceed to the next activity, which is the Activity 2 that entitled Describe Me, Choose It. So, here's the direction. Describe the following picture using number word. Do you understand, children? Okay, good to hear. So, here's the first picture. How many flowers that the girl holding? Okay, there are 3 flowers. Very good. Here's the second picture. How many bags that you can see in the picture? Okay, there are 5 bags. Very good. What can you see about the third picture? It's a donut. How many donuts that you can see in the picture? Okay, there are 3 donuts. Very good. So, here's the fourth picture. What can you see about the picture? Okay, it's a balloon. How many balloons that you can see in the picture? Okay, there are 7 balloons. And the last picture, what can you see about the last picture? Okay, it's a butterfly. how many butterflies that you can see in the picture. Okay, there are 8 butterflies. Very good. That's the end of our activity. You did a great job. So may I call on now Teacher April.
So children, what is our topic again? It's all about what? Very good. It's about cardinal numbers as adjectives. So when we say cardinal adjectives, what is it again, children? Very good, children. So before we move on for the hands-on activity, can you please give me an example of cardinal adjectives in sentences? So for your next activity, children, you need to choose one of this paper and we will give each of you a clay dough. Next, you need to create a mini balls out of the clay and look what number does your answer sheet have and count how many mini balls you need to create and paste it on the tree. Next, you need to count how many mini balls you put on the boxes and trace the number using the clay dough. For your assignment, children, this is the direction. You need to match the correct numbers with the correct words. So I hope you enjoy your activities and see you again tomorrow.